Ready to unlock the power of YouTube automation and supercharge your content strategy? Let's dive into how to connect N8n to the YouTube API, enabling you to automate tasks like video uploads, comment monitoring, and data analysis directly from your N8n workflows. First, search for the YouTube node in the N8n node library and drag it onto your canvas. This node is your gateway to interacting with the YouTube API. Next, we need to authenticate N8n with your YouTube account. Click on the Credentials drop-down and select Create New Credential. This will guide you through the OAuth authorization process. You'll be redirected to Google, where you'll be prompted to log in and grant N8n the necessary permissions to access your YouTube data. This ensures that N8n can securely interact with your account on your behalf. Once authenticated, you can configure the YouTube node to perform various actions. For example, you can set it up to upload a video, specifying the title, description, tags, and other metadata. Another powerful use case is comment monitoring. Configure the node to listen for new comments on a specific video and trigger subsequent actions in your workflow, such as sending notifications or automatically responding to comments. Beyond uploads and comments, you can use the YouTube API to extract valuable data about your videos, such as views, likes, and subscriber counts. Combine this data with other N8n nodes for powerful data analysis and reporting. By connecting N8n to the YouTube API, you can streamline your content management, automate repetitive tasks, and unlock valuable insights from your YouTube data, opening doors to truly dynamic content strategies. Start exploring the possibilities of YouTube automation with N8n today.